Hi all. So today we're going to see some beautiful pattu bridal lehengas, all nice beautiful color combinations, beautiful blouse designs, dupattas and all that. So all these are designed according to our choices, but anything can be done according to your requirement, from blouses to dupatta to anything, and you can get it customized in this pattern as well. So this one we've given a nice high neck for the blouse and a scalloped kind of a neckline with a simple embroidery with cutwork beads, and we've given nice hanging kind of a design with scallop finishing for the border of the sleeve, with small buttas for the sleeve. And you can see dupatta we have done in a plain one to keep it a little minimal for people who love to keep it simple. But if you want to make some embroidery on the dupatta as well, we can make like booties design and all that. And we've given a floral kind of a border so that it will match with the work on the top. And the skirt is a pleated one. It has around 4.5 to 5 meters flare. We've given a nice pattern for the back of the neck, as you can see. So this is like striped and this is with booties and all that, a high neck with a nice kind of a open for the back side of the neck. And when it comes to the waist belt, again it's a scalloped kind of a waist belt. Waist belt is optional, so you can also use your hip belt, which like the ornament hip belt, something like which I'm wearing. So the next one, this is a very vibrant color. So it has copper sulphate blue and orange combination, and for this also we've given hanging beads hip belt. And for the dupatta we've again kept it plain with 2 lace borders for the border of the dupatta. Again we can add work if required for dupatta. And for the blouse we have done a simpler work for the half of the neckline. And the skirt, again it's a pleated one. It has around 4.5 to 5 meters flare. The entire sari is used for the skirt, excluding the pallu and the blouse. And for the black of the blouse we have done the similar neck pattern. So you can also get it done in any pattern of your choice. Ari work, you can just choose from a lot of options what we have. We have so much, like the wedding blouses or the simpler blouses, everything. It's a nice color combination of bright green with Rani pink. So for this, the blouse is done with hanging beads and all that. The beads can be matched along with the color of the skirt or whatever. And again, this is a plain Georgette dupatta with nice big lace border. This one is a jewel. It is not the waist belt, which is customized to Tasto. And for this, the best part are these beautiful tassels, handmade tassels with booties, with tablet stone booties all over. This has a nice puff sleeve, pleated puff sleeve. As you can see, when one's worn, it will be something like this. This is a very beautiful bridal one. So this is a nice golden shade sari with dark maroon border. We've given a nice waist belt work with nice clip stones and all that. And for this, the sleeve and the blouse matter so much. So this is done on a similar matching blouse, but the same blouse which comes with the sari, we can do the same work. So this is a cutwork design like the Raja Rani type, with so much intricacy, so much detailing with all types of beads and stones. So this is how the back of the blouse comes, a very beautiful pattern, lotus with hanging chain type and with a chariot of carrying the queen, and like a Raja Rani pattern. So it's a very beautiful, very nice, grand bridal blouse design with so much detailing and all that. So this will be done on the blouse, which comes along with the sari. So once your sizes and all you're fixed, we'll be doing it accordingly. These are another set of very beautiful traditional combination colors. All these are very intricate weave on their skirts. The sari has a very intricate weave. So this one is a beautiful shade of pink and violet, a lovely color combination, as you can see. And we've given a nice scallop lace border which matches the skirt. Super hit Ari work design. So this is done with frame stones, beads and all that, with a beautiful puff sleeve with booties all over. And the same kind of neckline is given for the back of the blouse as well. Same thing is given for the back of the blouse as well. And this has a lovely pattern for the skirt. The weave is very intricate, as you can see, a very beautiful bridal one. So once these are worn with nice jewelry and all that, it looks super complete with nice grandeur look. So this one is a pinkish peach shade with Rani pink combination. So for this, we've given a very minimal Ari work for the neckline alone. And this, we've given a peachish pink dupatta which matches the skirt with pink border which matches the border of the skirt. And this one is a super bridal one, a very beautiful one. So this one, what we've done is we have given the skirt is a different pattern. Since the pallu, we've added the pallu to the skirt again, so that it adds to the flare of the skirt. Also, it comes in a unique pattern. So this is the pallu of the sari, and the remaining remaining body portion of the sari. For this, the dupatta, we have done handwork for the booties. As you can see, all these are pearls and a nice puff sleeve with booty works. We've given that navy blue stones as well. For the back of the blouse is again ari work done with booties with blue stone and a handmade tassels. These are just some ideas for the patterns in which we can customize these saris into bridal lehengas. But if you have your own requirements, how you want the blouse to be done, the dupattas to be done, the skirt patterns, etc., we can also do according to your requirements. The sari colors are shown in the other videos. You can pick one and get it customized according to your beautiful bridal lehenga for your big day. To place your orders, you can contact us on WhatsApp, or you can directly drop into our store, which is located on Nagar, Chennai. Thank you so much for watching.